Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. So for today I have an unboxing for you, and I have an unboxing from Clear Jelly Stamper and from SHEIN. So let's turn the camera on and let's see what I bought. Okay, so if anyone doesn't know, Selena Ryden came out with a new stamping plate. If you have her Boho Vibe nail card expansion pack from Moonflare, then this stamping plate goes along with the images that are in this pack. So let me show you what this is what the images look like. And on the other side, you have the little step-by-step guide. So sometimes I like to just take these images here and just kind of do it as a nice outline instead of layering the whole entire thing together. Also, what I really like with CJS, and they've been doing this for a while now, is they have everything together on this clear sheet, and you can literally hold it on to your client's nail, so that way your client will see how it's going to look on their nail plate once everything is stamped out. And then this is the stamping plate right over here. It has some really cool images. A lot of my clients do like stamping, so this is going to be another cool plate to have in my collection. Now, on top of the new stamping plate, I did buy some polishes. Now, these are not new. I just needed some of these colors I didn't have in my collection. So let me show you what I bought. So the first one is number 62. This is a nice red, almost like a nice like cherry red, or if not, a nice like Christmas red. Primary red, that's what I'm going for. Next one up is 165, and this is a nice blue color. Looks like it's a dark blue. It looks like it has a little bit of like a shimmer in it. Okay. The next one is number 15, and this is almost like a light gray color. Then we have number 180. This is also a gray. This is just a little bit darker. We have number 42, and this is the darkest gray that I purchased. So I didn't have any grays in my collection. And then the last two, these are not metallics, or I guess I want to say metallics. I wanted to add a silver and gold in my collection. So the first one I bought was 45. And this looks silver, almost like a lighter silver. And the last one is number 200, and this looks like a darker silver. I wasn't sure from the picture online how light or dark some of these were going to be. So this is everything I bought from Clear Jelly Stamper. Next up, let's see what I bought from SHEIN. Most of the stuff in here is just going to be related to organizational. And I honestly kind of forgot what I bought. So let's see what's in here. So I saw these decals on there, and these were pretty cool. So I bought some. So these kind of have like that like 70s hippie like retro vibe. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Then you have this. I want to say these with the eyes actually look really freaking cool. And then you have this over here, and these also looked really cool. Maybe it's just me. And then you have this with the drips coming down. I thought these were actually I just kind of liked these. You have this, and then you also have this. I knew there was something else that was, I knew there was more. Okay, so I also bought, I wanted really, really fine, sharp tweezers. So when I'm picking up you know, these from here, it's easier for me to work with. These are nice, really, really sharp tweezers. I bought 2 packages of these pointy metal studs. This one is almost like a gunmetal gray, and this is your regular silver. I was working on a project recently, and I'll show you a picture in here I was doing for Halloween, and I wanted something darker, but I didn't have it. Okay. And last but not least, these are 3 containers, and I'm happy that these were wrapped separately. As you can see, I bought 3 different size packages. So what I bought these for, and these came with little adhesives in here, which I'll hold to the side, and it came with these little, came with the double-sided sticky tape, which I always love using these. So let me show you why I bought these. So recently for Halloween, and I'm going to post a picture somewhere in here, I made, ow, this is sharp. I did these 2 for Halloween as like an extreme nail set, and I wanted to put these in something so that way they're not just sitting in a drawer. I wasn't sure what size containers. That's why I bought like 3 different containers, but I think I might keep it in this one because I think this is going to be big enough. Let me see. Ow. Okay, sharp. I put this here, and I accidentally broke this. So go me. Okay, so that is good. So I'm gonna get 2 long strips of the double-sided sticky tape. I'm gonna glue this real quick, so I will be right back. I am back. I glued this on here, and these are really sharp. This is a pin that's in the end if anyone wants to know, but when it's on, it looks something like this, and these are slightly heavy. So what I'm going to do is this is the Gorilla double-sided sticky tape. You can see how wide this tape is. So I'm going to take this, put this down here, and then attach these to that. Take these and let's just push this in delicately so nothing breaks. Okay, and once again, let's attach this here. Lightly press down. Okay, and then when I go to close it, see, that is perfect. So this is exactly what I wanted this box for. So now I have my first 2 like extreme nail shapes with castings. This is considered an extreme nail shape, but this is done with castings. So use a whole bunch of molds to put all this together. But I wanted a box to put these in so that they weren't just, you know, sitting in a drawer and they weren't gonna break. I have these other ones. You have your triangle, a dragon, and a razor. These are all extreme nail shapes, but I wanted to put these in a box, just like I have here with the tips. So that way, if I ever like want these on display, then they're ready, like they're in the box. So now everything is in here, and I have some of my extreme sets that I've been practicing, and I have everything into 2 nice boxes. And I also have this box, which means that any of the other nail art that I've been practicing and I've been posting on social media, then I can put it in here as like a little portfolio. I have a whole bunch of nail art like this, so I want to take these and put these in here, and then they'll be displayed throughout. And I have tons of this nail art that I want to put in here. So I don't know what yet. Can I go like, I think I can go 3 across. I think that's why I bought this bigger one. Yep. So I can go 3 across. And how many sets down on each one can I do? Let's just lay some of this out so you can see it. This was one of my favorites so far. With the, depending on the length of the tips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can do 9 down and 3 across. This is everything I can fit in this box. I can fit literally like 1 more set in here, and then this will be full. But at least this way, once I fill, I'm probably gonna get a couple more of these boxes. So that way I'll have the nail art like this. So that way it won't be like in a box like this anymore. Because right now, this box, as you can see, I just have, look, like all of this stuff. Some nail art. This is nail art that I've done throughout the years. And they're all in these little teeny baggies. Some of these I can reuse in my red iguana hand, so I save those. But I just have all of this sitting in here, and I want to put some of this on display like this. So as I said, I might have to get 1 or 2 more of these boxes. This is everything I bought between Clear Jelly Stamper and SHEIN. As I said before, I bought the new collaboration plate with Selena Ryden for her boho expansion pack, as well as adding some colors to my collection in stamping polishes that I didn't have, as you can see swatched here. I also bought a little odds and ends from SHEIN, so the decals, the tweezers, and the little metal studs. I hope you like this little organizational / nail haul video. If anyone has any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.